In this video, I'm going to show you how to show your WhatsApp status to only one person. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to open up WhatsApp here, and you can see here is my status, and I can change my status and only show that to one specific person or a couple of different people that I specifically select. To do that, we can tap on Settings at the very bottom right here, and then we will tap on Account, and then first option is Privacy. We'll tap on Privacy. Now, you can see the last one is Status, and I can tap on that, and it's currently set to all of my contacts can see my status. However, I can tap Only Share With, and if I only want to share my status with one specific person, all I have to do is scroll through this list and choose that one specific person. So let's choose one specific person, and then I will hit done. And now only that one person can see my WhatsApp status. Of course, I can always change that one person or remove them or add new people if I want specific people to be able to see that status. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.